Hi guys, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Bluetooth driver not working error code 52 in Windows 11 PC. So before we start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also facing this error, then I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, you have to go Windows settings, then go to the troubleshoot. In this, click on other troubleshoot. Here you search Bluetooth. You can see here Bluetooth. Click on run. Then wait for completion. Click on next. Then close this window. After doing this, open your command prompt. Right click on command prompt. Click on run as administrator. Click on S to apply. Then type here dmc.exe space /online space /cleanup minus image space /restore health. Then hit enter. Wait for completion. After completion, type one more command sfc space /scan now. Then hit enter. After doing this, once you restart your PC or laptop, fixed your problem. That's it guys. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.